What's going on, guys? Luke Seapole here, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make the best bread you will ever have in 3 ways. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together 9 cups of flour and 3 teaspoons of salt. To 1.5 cups of lukewarm milk, gradually stream in 4 tablespoons of sugar until it's dissolved. Now, whisk in 1 packet of yeast. While we wait for the yeast to bloom, let's make the Tangzhong. This is what makes this bread magical. To a small pan, add a 1/4 cup flour, 1/4 cup milk, and a 1/2 cup of water. Place this on the stove at low heat, constantly mixing until a sticky, almost gelatinous dough forms. Set this aside to cool. Add 1 tablespoon cinnamon. Add your yeasty mixture, followed by 2 cups of lukewarm water and 1 egg. Mix until a smooth dough is formed. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Add your Tangzhong in there as well.
5 minutes later. 15 minutes later. 346 minutes later.
Lightly flour your work surface, trying to get as much flour on you and the floor as possible. Perform a set of flips like I do until you get this. Now, at this point you can divide your dough into 3, approximately 950 grams each, and you would get incredible white bread. But on this channel, we are extra. By the way, what do you think of this video so far? Drop a comment and let me know. Add one of your balls to your stand mixer and add whatever grains or wheat you like. I just added 1 tablespoon of flaxseed and chia seed blend. Fold in 2 tablespoons of soft butter. Lightly flour your dough and add it to a greased bowl. There you go, whole grain bread. Onto the raisin bread. Combine 1 cup raisins, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, and fold in 3 tablespoons soft butter. Add to a separate greased bowl. For your lemon loaf, combine 3/4 cup mixed fruits, 1 tablespoon flaxseed blend, zest of 1 large lemon, and 1/2 tablespoon lemon essence. Lastly, fold in 2 tablespoons soft butter. I think you know what to do next. Place your dough to rise. A trick I like to do is to turn on the oven for 1 minute at 350 and then take it off. This gives the perfect environment for the dough to sit and speeds up the process. Once your dough has doubled in size, roll it out into the size of your greased baking pan. Do the same for the raisin bread, but add a sprinkle of cinnamon and nutmeg to get a pretty swirl at the end. I forgot to mention, make sure your dough is bigger than the pan itself. You don't have to do this, but I'm extra, so plait some extra bread and place it on top. Did I mention I was extra? Plait your entire lemon loaf together like I did. let your dough proof a second time. Make a simple egg wash and evenly brush it over all the breads. Bake at 350 for 35 minutes. Don't throw away your egg wash. Make some fried eggs to eat with your bread later. While we wait for the bread to come out of the oven, enjoy this B-roll.